Here we are in Snapshot. I wanted to give you another example of how we can use Metadata Studio to classify various assets into categories. It's very, very powerful. So I've written a little prompt here to analyze all of my email templates, and I'm going to decide whether they're in marketing or support or customer service, sales, and I'll also watch for poorly written templates. That could be a source of technical debt, templates that shouldn't go out, aren't written correctly, and probably should be deleted. So now in this particular case, we have two required pieces of metadata for when we run the prompt. We have both the template body itself and also the metadata that goes along with the template, which in this use case is quite important because it has the subject line and other metadata about each email. So let's run this for a test. And so I will select the body of my template and then select the metadata for my template. And just like that, Metadata Studio will give me my written report with the classification of each template, and it even rewrote some of the text for this template and gave me the metadata back with some corrections. Okay, I just did it for one template. That's great. Now let's do it for all of them. I can go to my Prompt Automation tab and create a new collection of prompts. And again, I need to select the metadata that I need, but in this case, I'll select all of my templates. And now I'll create an entire collection of prompts, but each prompt will look at a different email template. And so here we go. Metadata Studio took about 20 minutes to churn through 40 of my email templates. I noticed that one of them up here at the beginning errored out with a bad gateway error, and that's because OpenAI is really busy. But we have designed Metadata Studio to process thousands and thousands of metadata assets. And so all we have to do is go back and retry our failed prompts, and it'll correct that error. Let's do that now. And there we go. We patched up the one failure. And now we can go back to the main screen and look at all of the questions and answers that were created by OpenAI. And you can see that each one of these reports has classified the email template. All right, let's export all of this information. All I have to do is select a folder, click OK, and we can go look at the reports. We can see them categorized into support, sales, customer, and marketing. The ones that were poorly written have given us not only the information about why it was poorly written, but it shows us how to correct the problem. In this case, there was a typo in the email template, and also one of the merge fields was incorrectly formatted. All right, there you go. Metadata Studio, categorizing email templates and fixing the ones that were poorly written.